Everyone, in this video we are going to learn how we can design the wireless network. We can say like configuring the wireless network in Cisco Packet Tracer. So what we can do, if you see here, this is a wireless devices. Click here, you will see all wireless devices are present here. Now for the basic lab, we can take the home router, just drag and drop here. After that we can go here. This is the end device. If you need, you can take the computer. I take here 3 computer. Okay, and if you need the smart devices, you can move here, you can take the smartphone. This is a smartphone or tablet you can take. So this is smartphone tablet will connect automatically because by default in this router you have the IP. DHCP is also enabled here, and also we have the SSID is default and we don't have any password. So that's why they are connecting. If you see here, let me go here inside this tablet and go to the configuration. You can see wireless 0 SSID, that is a Wi-Fi name is default. Okay, and we don't have any password. That's why they are connecting. If you want to check, click here. Okay, when you click this router, the home router, it look like this. If you want, I can make zoom in. You can see this is the home router. If you want to go inside, you can click GUI. You are inside the home router. And now if you see, if you go to the security, click here. First you click the wireless, then below you have the wireless security. Click this one. And when you see here, all the wireless security is disabled, so we don't have any password. Okay, and if you click here wireless setting, you can see here what you have. You have the SSID. SSID is nothing but the name of the Wi-Fi. So you have default. We have the 3 Wi-Fi signal here, 3 SSID, 2.4 gigahertz, 5 gigahertz 1, 5 gigahertz 2. If you see SSID for all are what you have default. So this is a default, and here if you check, you don't have any password. That's why this all Wi-Fi devices is connecting, because by default this Wi-Fi device is having the setting in the wireless network. They have the SSID as a default and they don't have any password. That's why they are connecting. And if you want to connect this desktop also, you can connect. How you will connect means click here, switch off this desktop, and you can remove this RJ45 port, and you can connect this adapter. This is a wireless network adapter antenna, and then power on this device. And then you can see this device which I done, it will connect here. Same thing if you want to do, you can do here. And also you can go inside and go to desktop, and here you can see where you have the setting here. You have here the IP configuration option. Go here and you can see you have the DHCP, so automatically you get the IP from the DHCP. Why we get the IP from the DHCP? Because if you see in this router we have the DHCP server also. Let me show you. I will go here inside. You can see when we log into this router, home router, here you can see we have the DHCP server, and this is are the default IP they put. This is a subnet mask. DHCP server is enabled. If you want, you can disable and you can reserve some IP. And they told starting IP should be 192.168.0.100. Maximum they can give up to 50 users. So this is the default DHCP server is configured here. If you want to change, we can change also. By default this configuration is there. That's why our machines are getting the IP. Okay, that's why this machine also get the IP here, you can see, and they don't have any password. If you go here PC wireless and you can click here, you can refresh here and you can see profile here what you are getting. You can see here you will get the default. You can see by default it is connected. So if you see, we have here the auto connected because you don't have any authentication here. So if you want to put the authentication, we can put authentication also. Okay, here you can see default you have default. So if you want to put the authentication, we can put here. You can see now it is showing here all are connected here. You are getting 90% this signal, because in this one, in this Wi-Fi router, if you go here, you have 3, the default. If you want to change, you can change. Example, I will give A, B, C. Okay. And if you want to disable all this, you can disable also. So only one is allow, one is enable, this 2.4 gigahertz, and go down and you can save. So all other will be off. So you will get only one here, and after some time they will disconnect this one also. Okay. So here they connected ABC. Why? Because we did not put any password here. We did not put any password, so they connected here ABC. But these smart devices, you can see what you have here. You can go to this 0, and here you have default. I will put here ABC and I will close this, and let's see, it is connected now. This is disable, only here ABC is enabled, and we save here. So all the devices should disconnect. Here if you see, we have ABC, I will put, and here also we will have ABC. This is a Wi-Fi name. So they are connecting with ABC. Now I can put the password also. I can go here inside. We don't have any password. If you want to put the password, we can go here. Let me make big, and you can go here. This one you can enable the password, which one you need. Example, if I want to enable WPA personal, I can enable, I can give here whatever we need. Or if you need this one web, you can give here. Example 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, and go down here, you can click save. So now we set they are giving hexadecimal long. So let me put here, I will put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and I will go, I will save this. So this one we save. We need to remember WPE, and this is the password. Now all the devices will be disconnected. Here you see they are disconnected, and this one should also disconnect. Let's see here, we put the password. We need to put the password here. We need to check this computer, and let's see, when I am trying to connect, they are asking me the password. So I need to put the password 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and I will click connect. So it is connected. Now let's see, it is connected. This one is connected. Same thing, I will go here, and for this device also I will put the password here, this one, and we give 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, then I will close. So this device should connect where I give the password. So it is connected. Let me go to this device also, go to the wireless 0, select here, because we give the password. This one remains same. The SSID we already changed as ABC. I will give this one as the password. So this device should connect. Same thing, let me go here and do for the other device also. I will, here I put already. So which one I need to do here? I go to the wireless 0, and then I go to this one, and here I am going to put the password here. Okay, so they will connect now. See, they connected. Here also, if you want to connect, you can remove this, you can connect this, and you can power on this. Go to desktop, click here, and here you can select default you have before. Now you can refresh, and you can see you will get ABC here. You need to connect with the ABC. The old one what you have, it is showing that one. Now what we give, ABC we give. So let's see, ABC came here. Now I need to connect here. I need to go here. I need to put the password whatever we have. So let me put the password like this and click connect. So now you can see you are getting the IP from the DHCP. If you want, you can refresh, and you can see you are getting the IP from the DHCP. And same thing, I will go to this computer. Here I will switch off. I will remove this. If you need to plug the antenna, you can put and power on. Go here, click this PC wireless, go here connect, and go to profile and refresh here. You will get the information about the signal after few minutes. Here you will get the whatever the signals are available, Wi-Fi signal ABC. I will connect, and here we will put the password here, and then click connect. Okay, so now you can check it is connected. You can check you are getting the IP from DHCP or not. You can see you are getting the IP from the DHCP. So this is a wireless network and all the machines get the IP. You can see 106 here, you have 107, and they can talk to each other also. I will go here, I can ping 106, I will write here ping 192.168.10.0.106 and see reply is coming. So it is working perfectly. This is a small wireless network, we can say it is working perfectly. And if you want to play here, you can play, just click this one and open here. If you want to change this IP, if you want to reserve some IP, you can reserve which one you want to give to whom. And also if you want to enable here the all this one, you can enable all. You can set the more password like this one only for one device, one SSID. You can enable all other SSID and put the password. Okay, but this is just basic, we can say this is just basic. And here we check the basic stuff about this one. So let me end this device.